Hi guys, it's Nunu. How are you doing? It's week 2 already. Can you believe it? That first week, for me at least, it just flipped by. Okay, so we're in English 127, creative writing. We are in week 2 in modules. Your story using biography to make literary art. Okay, so I say week 2 in modules because I want to remind you that here in modules, we have our Bible, we have links to all assignments, everything that's going to be due in this class. Okay, I can access modules here in the left menu, or I can go down here to this handy link that I've created for you. I'm going to click on this link right here, and that will take us into our to-do list for week 2, February 11th through the 17th, 2019. We have discussion 1, you as protagonist, the central character in your own story, 120 points. And this is our assignment right here. I have a video explaining what this is all about for you to click on. Please read the assignment directions very carefully here, and this video will help you to do so. Okay, I'm going to click on modules again because I want to remind you that one of the important things is to look ahead in modules, what it is that we're doing. So we have coming up in week 3, we have discussion 2, Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman, Act 1. So you'll want to go ahead and read these directions. And I'm just going to click on this link very quickly. Yep, that's the playwright Arthur Miller, married to the one and only Marilyn Monroe. Okay, I thought that was a neat, happy photo of them for their very brief marriage. Okay, so what we're going to have to do here, I have a link here for you to click on it to read Act 1 of Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman. And I wanted to remind you here in week 2 to prepare for week 3, okay? I'm going to go back to home here, and I'm going to discuss very briefly, I have our second Windows theme here, this animated art, and it's to remind you that you're a writer, you're opening the window for us, you're giving us a glimpse into other lives, okay? So we would like to crawl through that window, not just open it and be part of the story. And I'm here to guide you in that process. Okay, so I am going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox if you need to talk to me. I am going to have Confer Zoom open during my office hours, which are Monday and Wednesday from 12 to 2. And I'll have a posting here on the screen reminding you that Confer Zoom will be open. Just if you want to chat, if you prefer to do that instead of reaching me in Inbox or coming in person if you have any questions or concerns. All right, I'm signing out. Let's get started.